Hello everyone, this is Tien from Stock Navigators. In this video, I will go over the solar sector, one of the green energy and renewable energy sector that's being focused on with the latest bill from proposed by our President Joe Biden. So, as you are aware, the $555 billion bill is focused on the cutting carbon emissions, including tax credits for business and consumers. So this is a key plan for renewable energy stock company, especially with the solar company and electric vehicle and all the sectors is also benefit from this bill. So from the technical analysis standpoint, we want to look at the stock and see where they are right now in the market. So first of all, let's look at Run, one of the biggest cap solar company in the U.S. Right now, Run is still get stuck in this sell zone and the consolidation area over here. There was the support and the resistance in the past. So we will watch out for this stock because they were able to hold this in this area and still trying to find a way to break out from the $60 level. If they are able to break out, the next resistance would be at $68.59, and the upper target for this stock would be around $84. The one of the strongest stock is ENPH. They were able to break out from the previous resistance and the all-time high and back test at this level and continue to the upside. And the momentum is still very strong with the stock. The next one is the First Solar. First Solar, very similar story, able to break out from the previous resistance back test a couple of days ago. So let's see how they hold or consolidate in this area. If they are able to break out from the $121 level, there will be more room to the upside. One of other strong solar stock is the NEE. Right now, they just punched into the previous resistance. So they tested this area 2 times before and failed, but they were able to bounce from the 200-day moving average. And we will see if they are able to get out of this resistance and continue to the upside. The next one is the is Solar Edge, one of the popular stock within the solar sector as well. Again, they were able to break out from the $335 level and continue to potentially retest the $376 level. If they are able to break out, they will be continue the momentum to the upside. The Jinko Solar JKS is a little bit weaker from the other similar stock in the sector. They run into this very heavily consolidated area, a lot of resistance up here. So temporarily they were able to kind of break out from this downtrend line, but they back tested today, and we will continue to monitor this stock to see if they are able to hold or they need to pull back a little bit more to gain some more momentum. The Nova Energy, similar story, were able to break out from the downtrend line. However, there are a lot more resistance in the past up here around $46.29 and $48.50 level. The CSIQ get into again very similar story, get into the heavily consolidated area. If they are able to break out from this resistance and the downtrend line, so they will have more room to go to the upside. The SHLS, another solar company, they were able to break out from the downtrend line very strong, but running to the strong resistance at 35.62. So the next resistance level will be 37.49. But the momentum for this stock to the upside is still very strong. The Sun Power, very similar formation, look like creating a bull flag over here. But however, they have two resistance very close at 34.85 and 38.24. Until they are able to clear out from these resistance, there would be more room to go to the upside. And finally, one of the newer stock in the market, Beam. I think this stock was IPO back in. Well, actually, this stock has been around for a while. But anyway, they found a support in this $25 zone and try to go back to the upside. But however, they have a lot of resistance at 40.63, 45.55, and 49.34. So this is one of the more one of the stuff that just continue in the sideways range bound market, and as long as they can continue to create the higher high and higher low on this trend line, and they may have more momentum to the upside. So we will continue to monitor all of the solar stock in this sector and see how they move with respect to the bill being proposed to the Congress. If you like what we are doing here, analyze the market and give out the stock alert for you guys, please give us a like and subscribe to our Stock Navigator channel. Thank you.